Yeah, today we decided to stroll around. Look where it's called Applebee's. It's a grill and bar. Yeah, let me go check out what's in there. We can get something to grab. Not far from where I stay. It's like 3.5 minutes drive. Oh, you got a welcome back. Hey buddy, what's up?
Hello.
Hello.
For one?
Sorry?
For one?
Yeah, that's a table for one. Thank you. I don't know what I was really. Okay. Chakula yao tu.
Everything okay? Are we doing any coffee, dessert? Hi, how you doing today?
Hello, how are you?
Good. Can you get started with the drink?
Give me a minute.
I'm so sorry.
Just a minute.
Just a minute?
Yeah.
I'll be right back.
Okay. So we decided to go with a drink. I'll take a lemonade. Because hii chakula yao manze. Sipendi. So big, sijui wana deep fry nini. Si tunachukia kuku but the way they cook it. So junky man. Pasta, yeah, fiesta lime chicken, hainifurahishi kabisa. Let me just go with the drink for today. Yep. One thing, mnaangalia their prices. Burger goes for $15. That's $15. We have ranges from around $15. Chicken also around $15-16. Salads $15. Some meals, sidhani kama chakula. Nothing to tell you. Watu wana chakula. Kuna shrimp hapa ni $3. Alafu hizi mafuki yao vile sijui wanaiki na nini. How much is this? Classic combo $16. Not for me. Thank you.
Yeah, is there anything else that you got?
No, I'm good. Yeah.
Do you want the menu?
Nah.
No? Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. I hope this one doesn't taste. Zingine. Let me test and see. Pretty good. I like it. So unaweza order pia hapa. Tatuona order appetizer. Acha tuangalie moja. Hii classic combo. Let's see what it has. Oh, there you have it. $16. Add 6 and Alfredo sauce. Naelekea maana. Naona spinach hapo. Unajua spinach ndio kitu naweza tambua vizuri. Jamani, spinach ni crisps mumekausha hapa, zinaitwa tortilla. $10. Muna mchezo nyinyi. What is that? Vitu sugary. Huku si vitu zangu. America's favorite boneless wings. Nila vile hizo wings zinapika. Naona pesa hiyo. You can order the drinks. By the way, the lemon is not so much sugar. So I'm playing games. Gotta be joking basi. Lipe tena nicheze games. Watu wanajua kutafuta pesa. Wacha niangalie hawa ikasi. Oh, sure. Can I have a takeout for this? Kindly.
Yeah, of course. Just like a cup.
Yeah.
Yeah,
And get me a check.
The check?
Yeah.
You ready for it? I'll be right back.
All right. Umeona kuna mahali nafaa kuwa. Siwezi choma time hapa nikikunywa lemonade. Nda ikunywa kwa gari. Mambo ni mengi, masani machache.
But like they didn't leave. They just went to the car and grabbed it and brought it back.
You won't believe this. Hawa watu wamenicharge ile game. Ni maajabu. Hata game sijacheza bwana. What the hell?
Do you have a question?
Do you mind getting me another?
Oh, another way they broke. Yeah, just grab it.
Yeah.
I'm sorry about that.
Then come back please. I'm on. Kani muulize hii game nimechargewa kwa nini sijacheza. Hizo wameniibia hapo mkaa. Tena ulize kama wanatoa. Very funny. Excuse me? Okay, so I think something came up with this. I just pressed the button but I didn't play
it. Oh yeah,
the game.
sometimes it activates it. Let me go have them take that off. I'm so sorry about that.
Oh, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Unashangaa bana wanataka kuchezea mchezo gani? Tungoje.
Is that okay? I don't need to. And then the lid.
Oh,
Sorry
thank
about
you.
that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright. Wajanja walikuwa wanajua chenye wanafanya. Unajua tu wamezoea kujua pesa kwa table. So much confidence. Hii sisi ni nani? Mpika ni nani? Wanajuanga. Press by mistake, no button. Then waeke kwa bill, spoteta. Weka ndo yao. Spoteta. Well and good. Very lucky. No, I'm
Do
good.
you mind doing on the one machine?
Okay.
Is that okay?
Do I have to do it here? Let me check.
That's okay if you prefer other ways.
Oh, nice. Do you have Apple Pay? I think you got.
If you do in the corner, it helps a little more.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Have a great night.
You too.
Thank you.
Lazimisha tip basi. Nimenitolea ile wacha nimlipe hiyo. Good. Oh yeah. That was Applebee. Shari ni kubwa. Utamu. Yeah. So my journey has come to an end here. Tupatane next time, next some other place probably. Bye bye.